That's our Facebook address and fastest way, I guess, nowadays to get some updates about the league. Like it to meet Cholina Garciturena of Rosario, Pasig City, 20 years old. She is our shakiest face of the game. Kalahin mo, no? Maulan. Pero nanood kang volleyball, committed ka sa Shakey's B-League, you go home with a box of manager's choice. Magwawala ako rito. Si Vic Gregorio, nag-meeting kami.
Silipin mo na
Kinausap ko, sir, kailan ba yung aking libreng money? In the 20th anniversary of the B-League, sabi ko.
Diba yung pag yung malaki na, diba they have this really big.
I guess so. Hindi ka kasya sa ubing. 17-14, and suddenly, the momentum of Smart has tapered off. Picasa po ang ating official ball dito sa Shakey's V-League. First set, nakuha po ng Air Force. Back, reverse to Ruby. De Leon was a new career as a striker.
Wala na. Hindi na magiging setter ever si Rubio. That's it. Oh!
Ha?
Oh,
Sabi ni Roger Correa,
hindi raw totoo yun. Nagpapanggap lang daw si Rubio.
Sige na.
Oo. Papanggap lang daw.
I have never had so much fun covering a game with this the way. And kumakagat din naman ng Air Force. Nakikipag-utuan din.
So from the back row, well, partner going now with 11 digs. Itong si Balmaceda with 4.
Ganda ng tumble niya. Ang ganda ng fall niya. I love it when the libero spin. Happy childhood talaga eh. Bang! All the way to...
Been doing well, especially itong second set.
Shakey's for fun family pizzas, gotta be Shakey's. Guliman, nabasa yung kanyang intensyon. Cases and De Leon is there. Soltones, hammer time!
Ruby picking that up.
Madaming bagong karir to si Ruby, ha?
Oo.
Libero, attacker, Cases. Soltones, Ferrer. Semana.
Ay, ang ganda nun.
Patay
I
kayo.
knew it.
Patay kayo.
Doon nagtapos sa running hit na ibinigay ni Rhea de Maculangan.
She's in shape and she has her setter with her.
Dito, yung nagra-running lagi sa harap mo yan eh. Hindi mo pa siya nasasalat. Nagra-running siya, huwag mo tapatan dito, hindi naman papalo dito. Laging cross-court eh. So, dapat may espasyo ka sa kanya. Kung nandiyan pumapalo mo, mablakin dito. Dito mo siya blakin. Nandiyan pagpunta dito yung palo niya. Lulusot lang ng lulusot sa'yo yun. Kasi tinatapatan mo siyang ganyan eh. Ay yung palo niya papunta dito sa kanan mo. Wala na siyang palo dito. Gulang-gulangan niya lang yan. Resipan niya para makapalo si yan eh.
Tama. Yung running hit kasi ni Micah, mula kanina pa, as we will see it here, panay cross court, diba? So, anong inaabangan palagi doon sa down the line? Sayang yung blocker doon sa down the line. You have to adjust. Oo. Dahil kanina pa eh. Wala naman siyang tinirang down the line eh.
Hindi tumitira ng down the line sa running yan eh.
Yan yung dapat magmasa. Smart with 12 receptions and Philippine Air Force with 14.
Guliman's attempt was foiled there. 15-20 po ang ating score. 20-15 si De Ramos. Gohing. Load up.
Ito na naman. Cross court na naman ng si Ortiz. Smart now having 8 attack points. Philippine Air Force with 11. Hindi na sa stop eh. So paulit-ulit lang ginagawa.
Shakey's and the V-League, our official outfitter. Axel. 21-15.
While on the other hand, ito naman si Soltones, hindi na halos makapasok ng palo.
Good point. Kasi nababasa na eh. Wala na siya.
Oo.
Learning. Wala. Alam mo kasing hindi off speed eh. Akin ang blocking ko yan. Alam mong hindi off speed. Hindi ka uhulugan.
So yun yung adjustment na hinihingi kanina pa ni Coach Roger sa kanila.
Tutuwa yung tao kay Guliman.
Oh, talagang ang ganda ng nilalaro niya rito. Ang lalakas na mga palo niya.
Jem's attempt to be smart. They caught it. Soltones. Going, spinning around. Soltones. Yan!
Nagkaroon na ng adjustment. kanina natin inaantay pa yan. Finally, Salton is on that off speed.
Basang-basa
That's
kasi
one
siya
to go.
Let's go with Nika Guliman. May makulangan. Pasok pa rin, ano?
Click na click ngayon ng tandem. Yung 1-2 punch nitong Philippine Air Force with Rhea de Maculangan and Micah Ortiz.
It's been there for the longest time, and the Air Force benefiting from that. 23-16. Nakahabol na eh. Nakadikit na ng malapit ang kupunan ng Smart, pero kumalas na naman ang Air Force.
Ayan, this time, ang nabasa naman ay yung open hit ni Judy Caballejo.
17-23. Kung nung araw sa side-out game, kaya habulin to yun. Nakakatakot yung rally.
Kaya bukas na tayo uwi.
Oh, bukas na. At, abutin natin ng news dito, ang State of the Nation. Buong gabi.
Salton is getting to that.
Kuya.
Once again, Ortiz targeting the back portion of Smart's court.
She's unstoppable today.
Credit
half of that kay Rhea, no? But she's unstoppable.
Hindi ma-stop. Wala pa ring antidote itong Smart para dun sa running hit ni Micah Ortiz.
Jem, nakikipagbunuan ng mga braso.
Lumusot.
Puro bagong karir itong mga to,
Lumusot kay Caballejo. Pag ganyan, pride is at stake
Yeah,
din eh.
yeah.
Ano ko nalusutan doon?
18-24. And it's over.
Bumawi naman agad at binigay pa kay Jem.
25-18. Bilis bumawi. And it's two-set lead by the Philippine Air Force against a very game smart but undermanned team. And it's a lonely walk to the other side while there's a whole armada or battalion of airplanes for the Air Force.
Ako si Iyari Yongko ng Philippine Air Force at kayo'y nanonood ng Shakespeare League Season 10 Open